The 24 Filipinos who were detained in Russia for over 9 months had safely returned to the Philippines this morning. They arrived in 2 batches. The first was welcomed by Foreign Affairs Secretary Maria Teresa Lazaro, and the second was received by Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak.
Tayo ay nagsasagawa na ng mga implementasyon ng pagtulong sa kanila pagbalik. Kaya't sa ganang amin sa DMW OWA, si Admin PY Kauna na nagbigay na ng direktiba sa kanyang 2 deputies na nandito ngayon na i-accommodate sila sa hotel facility.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. personally raised their case with Russian President Vladimir Putin during the ASEAN-Russia Commemorative Summit. Russian authorities said the Filipinos had not been charged with any offense and helped with their release.